Hey everyone, welcome back. Man, it's been a while. Before we start going through all the changes that have happened inside, because we've been away for a couple of months, a hell of a lot has happened inside. Just going to quickly catch you up to date with everything on the outside, let's say. We're just going to go around the side of the house. I want to show you a couple of things. So down here, I don't know if you remember, this was basically Wave Rock. For all of you new people who are here, Wave Rock was kind of this big sand embankment that went all the way along here. Now, yes, I'll explain a lot more about that in a future episode, but that's not what we're here for today. I'm just going to quickly catch you up. So as you can see down here, we have an electric cupboard with a pipe ready for it to be run. We have got a water pipe going around the back for all the shenanigans that's going to go on out the back. We have got a gas pipe here ready to go in for the gas board that goes in here. And we also have the water main there. Now, basically, I dug a trench all the way along here, all the way along the side of the house to here. So we have it all rolled up. Gas, water and electric ready to get connected. That is mainly all booked in. Bit of an issue with the water, but I'll get to that later. I'll explain about this beautiful thing in a minute. I've cleared the front out somewhat, but that's not really the main thing. Main thing is we've got the water, gas, electric all in there, good to go. Just got to get the board to hook them all up, and then we are literally cooking with gas. So into the house. Brace yourselves, because some stuff has changed. So as you come in the door, take a look to the left, and the study is ready for painting. We've got American style board and filler kind of set up in here. Just needs, basically this room's ready to go. All the electric's in, everything's perfect, it's ready to go. We've also got window boards, yeah, it's just completely ready to go. So that is probably the last you're going to see of that room until it's painted. On into the living area, and we have got a daffy load of plasterboard which just needs to go on the walls, bit of dot and dab. Oh yeah, look up, all of the ceilings have been boarded out, so we are looking extremely good there. Before we go into the kitchen, I'm just going to show you upstairs. Now, I don't know if you remember how it looked last time, but well, you can see straight away there, boards up there. We have got a loft hatch. Grab our little stick, and all you do, pull it down. It's one of those jobbies where you've got the steps already in it, so that's all good. I'm not going to mess about too much with that right now, because we've got more important things to discuss. One room has been boarded and semi-plastered. Now, I mean, boards on the walls. Boards on the walls, a few little bits need dotting and dabbing, but man, I know I said this relatively recently, but we've almost got a house. We've almost got an actual house. Like, we have sockets, we have walls, we have plaster on some of the walls, we have ceilings. You can kind of get the gist of the size of the place, just to make sure that people have a happy day. Have yourself a happy day. Okay, and into the bathrooms, we have the back bit, well, the cistern, I guess, for the toilet. We have got sinks plumbed in. We've got the shower plumbed in. Also, we've got the little reveals for your shampoos and whatnots. All the pipe work for the towel rails are in. I'll quickly run you through to the other one. We need the wet room style thing to go in here for the moment. But again, we've got the cutouts for your shampoos and whatnots. All of the plumbing is in. We've got the sink. Well, as you can see, there's sink, bath, the tub goes here, and then we've got a little cutout for the bathtub as well. We have picked out tiles, and we have booked in a tiler to come and tile that. So things are going, they're getting there. They're really getting there. Now, the reason I haven't been making a video for the past 2 months is because basically there was a delay in certain things. A few trades took a bit of time to come in. Materials was a bit of a, let's say, a bit of a delay as well. In that meantime, me and Holly, we took a little bit of time off from, I took a little bit of time off from online media. Holly, quite the opposite actually. So we did a bit of travelling. Now this brings me back to our camper van. This is our 1989 Talbot Express, named Rosie, as you can probably see on the side there. And yeah, basically we've been travelling around. We've been going to Wales, we've been going to, I'll tell you, let's get away from the old traffic. We've been travelling around a little bit in it. We've gone to Wales, we've gone to Formula One, Silverstone, we've gone to Wales again, we've been to the Lake District. Basically, I'm about to show you the kitchen, don't worry about that. If you are interested or have been or wondered where we have been and wondered what we've been up to, then go and check out Holly's Instagram. I'll link it down below and on the screen as well. Go and check it out, because she has documented pretty much everywhere that we've been. Obviously with the situation that we're going through, we just kind of want to live life to the max, and basically that camper van, Rosie, has given us the opportunity to do that and go and see some awesome places. So I'll link her Instagram down below. Go and check out all the stories and everything that we've been up to, all the photos, and yeah, just sort of catch up to date with the past 2 months of what we've been up to. Right, now on to what I'll probably say the pièce de la résistance. That was a bit much, quite well. Nice accent there. The kitchen. So let me flip you around and I'll show you the kitchen. Sorry, before I flip you around for the kitchen, there was just one thing that I wanted to quickly tell you about. There's a sticker on the back of the van. Basically, what we are doing is we are raising money for Macmillan. Basically, they've been a massive help throughout the whole situation with Holly. Like they're always on the phone if you have any issues about like the chemotherapy she's been going through. Just basically they've just been a massive help. So what we are doing is it's called the Mighty Hike. I'll leave a link down below. Basically it's a 13-mile hike for a charity, for a cancer charity, and the main thing about it is that it's going to be so difficult is the fact that where Holly's tumour is, it's basically pushing on her sciatic nerve. Long story short is her left leg is half numb. She can't feel half of her left leg, so walking has been quite difficult. So basically we're doing this 13-mile hike to raise money for Macmillan Cancer Research, and it would be great if you could all show your support, and I'll leave a link down below to that fundraiser. Just give what you can. If you've been looking for a charity to give some money to, it'd be really appreciated. And the walk we are going to be doing, or the hike, is on the 5th of September on the Jurassic Coast. So it'll be quite a nice walk. So we'll be over there doing that, and I'm most probably going to video it, so it will be up for YouTube if you are interested in what we're doing. So yeah, the link down below. Please do give what you can. It would be greatly appreciated and going to help everyone in the same situation as us, because Macmillan are just absolutely incredible at what they do. Now, kitchen time. Okay, so here we are, stood in the middle of the kitchen, and as you can see, it is an absolutely beautiful kitchen. I'll tell you what, let's do this the easy way. I'll show you exactly what the kitchen's going to look like in 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Here is the kitchen. A little bit of a transformation. So I'll give you a quick once round. There we go, that's what it's going to look like. Okay, so we'll start with where we're looking. We're going to have this, well, this is designed using a Smeg range cooker, and then we're going to have this, what's known, I think it was called like a mantle. So the sort of like around the two sides and up and over kind of sort of set up. And then to the right we have got, I don't know if you can see it, but just behind the door we've got sort of wine racks there, some cupboards at the top, and on the left we've got a microwave and then some more wine racks. And then go down, you've got your drawers for your pots and your pans and your whatnots, and my battery is running low. Then we go around, that's the door into the utility room. This here is the sort of fridge freezer, and then round to this side we've got a double butler sink. To the left of it is going to be like a pull-out sort of bin, and then to the left of that one is going to be an under-counter freezer, because I don't think with this fridge freezer it's going to be enough, so we've got an under-counter freezer. And then to the right of that will be the dishwasher, and then as we look around we've got a little bar sticking out with a wine cooler, and you can't see from this angle on the ends, but as you look at it, as you look at the end, there's going to be a little bookshelf on the end of that breakfast bar. We're going to have some dangly lights over the top. And yeah, the whole thing is going to be kind of like a sort of porcelain colour, maybe cream. We did toy with the idea of green, like a sage green, but I thought it just looked a bit, I don't know, it didn't really fit in very well. And the worktop is all going to be like a nice 40mm oak with a little oak upstand going all the way around. It hasn't actually been put on this render, but so that is pretty much the setup we are going for the kitchen. But when it comes to fitting the kitchen, I'm going to talk a little bit more in depth about who I chose and why I chose them, and go into a few reasons why I didn't choose some particularly the other brands. Anyway, so that is the kitchen. Nice double butler sink there. Yeah, I think it's going to look lovely. Right, let's go back to reality in 3, 2, 1. So there we go, that is the kitchen. That probably explained it a lot better than all this sort of spray paint on the wall. What else have I got to say? Oh yeah, so we have the tiler already as booked in and ready, as I said. All of these walls don't need skimming. He was saying you can just tile straight on there. The floor is going to have porcelain, the walls is going to have ceramic, and the only thing is the ceilings. Now, the plasterer isn't coming again for till the end of the month. So basically, I am going to crack out my trowel. Hopefully tomorrow, the next video, we going to plaster a couple of ceilings. Now that would be interesting because I haven't done any plastering in quite a long time. So this will be very interesting. So make sure you stick around because we're going to be doing that next video. And then next week, this is something that I've been extremely excited about for probably about 2 or 3 months, if not more. Something is getting fitted next week. I hinted at it over on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then it's radian_builds, link in the description, go and check it out. Guess is down in the comments. Let's see if you can guess right. Something's happening next week. Like I said, we've been away for a couple of months. We just sort of been enjoying everything. It's been quite nice not uploading any videos or photos or anything. You need a little break every now and then, but we're going to get back to it. We've got plenty of videos coming because all the stuff is getting booked in. Everything is booked in, everything's going well. Oh, by the way, while we're here, if you haven't noticed, I've been wearing a Bricklaying with Steve and Alex t-shirt all episode. If you do not follow Bricklaying with Steve and Alex, what the hell are you playing at? Go right now and follow them. They are a fantastic bricklaying group, father and son. So yeah, awesome merch. So shout out to those guys, top amazing YouTubers. So yeah, go and follow them. If you're interested in watching this house build from the beginning, click this playlist here. If you're interested in learning how to lay bricks, click this playlist here. And with that being said, that will end today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. See ya.